Welcome to DOLA 2-Minute Mods. Today we will cover the donut arch pad modification for offloading a fibroma, a variety of skin conditions, previous ulcer sites, and much more. A donut arch pad is a midfoot orthotic modification designed to offload any area of the MLA as prescribed. It consists of a cushioning pour-on pad with an aperture. It is placed on the superior surface of an orthotic in the MLA and positioned to create a central depression or aperture over the required area, creating a pressure-free window that offloads the affected area while the surrounding ring of material redistributes weight-bearing forces to the adjacent tissues. It is also known as a ring pad, arch aperture pad, or arch donut. It is a useful padding type in a variety of clinical conditions, including of the skin with hyperkeratosis or HDs, scar, VPs, foreign object, post-surgery, or a previous ulcer site. It is also useful for fibromas, plantar fascial nodules, and scarring. For this modification, we need a DOLA Pro orthotic with clinical markings of the offloading area, a pen, pour-on self-adhesive arch pad, and your choice of hole punch, scissors, blade, or grinder. Select the pour-on arch pad size and thickness needed, and mark the location for the aperture using a pen from your clinical markings. Using the cutout method of your choice, create an aperture in the pour-on arch pad at the marked location. In this case, we used a hole punch. Remove the cutout and assess the position and size of the cutout against your clinical markings. Peel the backing and place the self-adhesive pour-on arch pad in place with the aperture over the clinical markings and apply pressure. The pad is creating an accommodation over the required area. It's now time to test the function and fit with your patient. Check the positioning of the aperture and the function before covering. For more education and training, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join the DOLA Academy.